Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change or switch server in Mobile Legends. So let's get started. Tap on your profile icon available in the top left corner. Then you'll be in your profile settings and tap on the account option available there. So now you could see the switch server option available there, but now, as in my case, I have recently just downloaded it, so I need to download advanced server first in order to have switch server option. So if you are playing it for a long time, or if you have the Mobile Legends download for almost more than 1 or 2 days, then you will see the switch server option available there. So you can occasionally tap on the switch server and you can simply switch whatever server you want to according to your own preferences. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.